Mold is like a cancer in your home. It not only exacerbates health issues in a person with hypersensitivity, but it also can create health conditions in an otherwise healthy person. Young ones and elderly are most vulnerable to issues stemming from present mold spores. Mold is an active threat that requires isolation and elimination immediately to prevent health and structural property concerns. Moisture Master Pros is equipped, trained, and certified with the latest and cutting-edge technology to protect our clients from the harmful effects of mold. We inspect, identify, and kill mold spores, as well as provide solutions to prevent future mold growth in other areas. You'll receive a mold report that details the cause of present mold with clear steps that can be performed to prevent spreading in the future to other areas.